So Aoife, for this video we're making, what would you say is the best thing about the BA in Exercise and Health Studies?
Well, we could say it's the emphasis on developing practical skills or the staff expertise, but let's ask the students.
For me, the best thing about Exercise and Health Studies so far, I'm only in first year, is definitely activity leadership. It's so much fun, but it's introducing you to new modern trends and what's up to date in the fitness world, and it is tough, but it's really good. So far we've done weights, we've done high intensity training, we've done step aerobics and fitness bands and stuff like that, and it's just each week it just keeps getting harder, but it's just intense, and you think you're fit before coming into it, but this really shows you that you haven't reached your limitations at all.
The thing I like about Exercise and Health Studies is the physical activity promotion side of it. I've also been lucky enough to being involved in projects where we're trying to get people back on bikes and doing cycle training in schools, both in primary schools and secondary schools, and also with older adults with bikes lying around in the sheds. So the modules I've done here in WIT have had a direct input in all of those.
Adaptive physical activity was probably the best. We worked with people with Down syndrome, and we did swimming lessons and stuff, and we learned how to work with them in the lectures and stuff, and then we went up to the pool and walked with Crystal, and we worked with Brothers of Charity and taught them how to swim and play different games and stuff like that with them. In adaptive physical activity, we worked with not just people with disabilities, but we also worked with older adults and youth at risk as well.
As part of Exercise and Health, we got the chance to go to Tanzania in Africa. We got to work with the local soccer club and helping them to develop, as well as having fun along the way. It was a great opportunity for all of us not to develop as ourselves, but help other people develop. We learned a lot, as did the local club, and we still keep in contact with them even to this day.
What I like about Exercise and Health Studies is the staff especially. They're very, very helpful, and whenever you have a question or anything like that, they're always there, either with confidence or without confidence, saying putting you in the right direction or saying that you're in the wrong direction. It's always constructive and never putting you down yourself. Also, the modules themselves are very, very good, and the lecturers themselves seem very interested in the modules they teach.
For me, the most interesting thing about Exercise and Health is the hands-on experience you get in the area of research. I've been lucky enough to work on a research project since first year, and that's been on the Smarter Travel initiative that has spilled out in Dungarvan. I've been working on the project now the past 4 years, but it's really I've gained some serious experience in the whole area of research and how to gather the information and input it into the computer system SPSS, and this has further then helped me towards my own thesis because I've become really competent in that area as well.
It's really easy to make friends here in WIT, especially in the Exercise and Health department. The staff are really fun, and it's just a fun atmosphere. Last year we even did the Harlem Shake.
Okay, so the best thing about the lab is probably to push our own bodies to the limit inside the lab as well, in a fun environment, and you get good encouragement, and there's a good atmosphere in there when you're doing the VO2 max test, for example, where you're pushing your body to the absolute limit. And it's a good way to get fit and to understand your own body, and you get good encouragement from your classmates like Harley.
And as maybe from the first, second and third year, you've kind of been told how to use this stuff, and maybe in fourth term you're doing research techniques in biomedicine, you're kind of on your own and get the opportunity to work on your own and kind of really understand the machines yourself.
I think the best thing about Exercise Health Studies is how it helped me develop personally, in terms of fitness, and we just learn strength, conditioning, the modules such as resistance and conditioning, exercise physiology and nutrition have all helped me achieve the level I am at now with my hurling and stuff, and getting access to scholarships with WIT, and helped me get on to the county team and stuff with hurling. So what I thought was the best thing about Exercise and Health.
What I like most about Exercise and Health is there's an opportunity to go on work placement. I could have gone loads of places to do this, such as worked with the FAI, the Cardiac Rehabilitation Centre or the Brothers of Charity, but I chose to go to the Waterford Sports Partnership. It's a great opportunity to be on placement at the Waterford Sports Partnership, as I get to do lots of different things. There is a lot of admin work, but there's also a lot of things outside of the office. I'm currently running a physical activity programme for primary school children called the WASP. I've also done loads of courses such as active leadership, child protection course and the cycling course called Sprocket Rapid.
That was pretty good, I think.
Yeah, so there's just some of the reasons why you should choose WIT's degree in exercise and health studies.
So for more information, check the course out online at wit.ie.